Hi everyone, welcome back from spring break. I hope you had a great time with your families, maybe relaxing and a great time celebrating Easter. I know I did, and so now we're back to school and thinking about what we're going to be working on for this week. So I sent some assignments for you on Google Classroom. You'll notice there's 5 math assignments. That's one for each day. And there's some books on Epic for you to read that I assigned. There's a mystery science for you to look at and a video to watch. And there's also a lesson on homophones. So today I want to talk a little bit about what a homophone is. And if you want to get a piece of paper and a pencil, you can write some down, maybe put some in a sentence so you understand exactly how they work. So on your one assignment for Google Classroom, it says phonics, and there's the homophone lesson on there for you to practice after you do this lesson with me today. Okay, so when we look at the word homophones, I see 2 parts of the word. So the first part here, this H-O-M-O, that means same. Okay, and phone or phonemic, phone like your phone, you listen to someone talk, phone or phones in this part of the word means sound. So these are words that have the same sound. Okay, now the thing about them though, even though they have the same sound, there are a few things that are different. 2 things that are different about homophones. Okay, so the 2 things that are different about them is they have a different meaning and they have a different spelling. Okay, so a homophone is 2 words. They have the same sound, but they have a different meaning and a different spelling. Okay, so let me give you an example of what I'm talking about whenever I say same sound, different meaning, different spelling. So for example, here is one word, the word 8. And here is another word, 8, right? So, same sound. When I say this word, I say 8. And when I say this word, I say 8. They sound the same. 8, 8. Now, right here it says they have a different meaning. Well, this 8 means the number 8. But this 8 means something that I would have eaten maybe the day before. I ate dinner last night. Or I ate an apple at lunch. Right? And spelling. The spelling is also different. E-I-G-H-T and A-T-E. 8 and 8. They both have that long A sound, but they're spelled differently. Now we know which word we're talking about when we read it in a sentence or when you hear someone say it to you in a sentence. So for example, if I say, my daughter is 8 years old. You hear the word 8, and you put it in what the sentence means, and you automatically know I'm talking about this one, right? 8. She's 8 years old. That's the number. That's how old she is. She's 8. So you automatically know just by listening to the sentence that the word is in what 8 I'm talking about. If I say, we ate dinner last night at Round Table Pizza, you would automatically know just by listening to where the word is in the sentence that I'm talking about this word 8. When I say I ate at a restaurant, I'm talking about eating something, not the number. Okay, so there's lots and lots of homophones, and they're actually kind of fun. So if you have a pencil or a piece of paper, if you want to go get one, right now, I'll go ahead and list a few up here on the board, and we can kind of put them in a sentence together, or when you click off, you can write some in a sentence and maybe tell me at a Google Hangout, or maybe go ahead and read them to someone in your family and see if they can figure out which homophone you're talking about. Okay, so remember, homophones are 2 words, same sound, different meaning, different spelling. So let's put up a few right here. So for example, here's some other ones. How about sun and sun? So they sound the same, right? This sun, S-O-N, means I have a son named Michael. This sun means the sun is up in the sky, right? So you hear the word in the sentence and you know the meaning of it. and you can figure out the spelling even though they sound the same. Okay, here, how about this one? Week and week. Okay, so here, notice long, two vowels together, week. This E makes this E. Say the long vowel sound. Same here, two vowels together. When two vowels do the walking, the first one does the talking and it's long. So when I say them, week, week, they sound the same. The meaning is different. There are 7 days in a week, or I felt weak after doing Run Club. Okay, and the spelling is different. W-E-E-K, W-E-A-K. All right, here's another one. How about this one? C and C. Okay, they sound the same. C, C, different meaning. I can see out the window, or see, I'm going to the sea to collect seashells, right? Same sound, different meaning, different spelling. Okay, how about this one? Flower and flower. Okay, so I listen to the meaning, or I put the word in a sentence and I listen to the sentence, and that helps me figure out the meaning. Flower. I saw a beautiful purple flower in my front yard. That means the flower that grows out of the ground, right? Flour. I used flour and chocolate chips to make chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so you know as soon as you put the word in a sentence, you can figure out the meaning, right? And then we know OW makes the OW sound, and we know OU also makes the OW sound. Okay, how about this one? Hair and hair. Okay, so here we have same sound, hair and hair. I noticed two vowels together here. The I tells the A, it has to make the long vowel sound. Here the E tells the A, it has to make the long vowel sound. So I put them in a sentence because of course the meaning is different. I will wash my hair at night when I take a shower, or hare. I read a story called The Hare and the Tortoise, meaning rabbit, right? Well, there's lots of other ones. There's made and maid. I made a beautiful picture, or the maid will come and clean my house, right? How about peace and peace, right? Your mom might say, I would like some peace and quiet, meaning things are calm. Or maybe I say, I would like another piece of cake, right? A section cut out of a cake for me to eat. Okay, so there's a lot of really fun ways to use homophones, right? Because they are kind of fun to put in a sentence. So maybe you want to write a few of these down and put them in some sentences so you can check your correct spelling, also check for correct meaning. Okay, so let's just quickly review. Homophones are two words that make the same sound. They have a different meaning and a different spelling. Okay, so I hope that helps you out whenever you go on your Google Classroom this week and you practice on the assignment that I sent you on Google Classroom. I hope everyone's able to get onto EPIC. I know lots of you are wanting more books, and EPIC has all kinds of books at many different AR levels, so I'm hoping that you'll check that out. Read the books that I've assigned to you, and then do some more reading on something that you're interested in for Accelerated Reader. So I hope that'll be a good thing for you to do this week. So I look forward to seeing you at Google Hangout. Remember to check the day that you're supposed to be there. Not everybody's on the same day. I want to keep the groups kind of small. And it's at 10 o'clock. Also, remember to have your 4 facts ready to share at Google Hangout from your mammal report, and to show us your amazing diorama. We all want to see what creative things you've done with your diorama. Okay, so I will see all of you at Google Hangout this week, and have a great day. Bye.